Hi, today I will compare two LCD TV in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 1445 into 835 into 56 mm and 2178 into 1250 into 41 mm. Weight 36.1 kg and 69 kg. Mounting hole pattern 400 into 400 mm and 600 into 500 mm. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: anti-reflective filter ultra, Gember 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240, climb ready. Next, display. Display technology LCD. Panel type VAQD. Display size 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe and 85, 98, 150 inch. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Video processor AIPQ Pro. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 59 ppi and 68 ppi. Response time 5.7 millisecond. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 3300 nits and 5000 nits. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 plus, hybrid long gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. High gig yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Next, connectivity. HDMI standard HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 1 into USB A. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Ethernet 1 into RJ45. Next, smart TV and apps. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 2.2.2 60 watt and 4.2.2 80 watt. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detach X yes. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes.